Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cuticle removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. The thing that users seem to like the most about this instant cuticle remover is its innovative gel formula. The product doesn't run off your nail bed if you move your hand a bit. Also, it is enriched with aloe extracts, which soften dry and tough cuticles in just 15 seconds, so you can easily remove them. Just push them back with an orange stick or any other manicure tool. This way, you can cut your manicure time almost in half. The main ingredients of this product are aloe vera leaf juice and chamomile flower extracts. Not only do they have a soothing effect, but they also help moisturize your skin. The pack contains 1 ounce of the remover. You can order it one at a time, but there are also sets of 2 and 3 bottles available out there. There is one thing we don't really like about this product. The dispenser on the bottle could have a better design, since sometimes things can get a little messy during the procedure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ProLinc Cuticle Eliminator. If you don't want to use nail nippers because you're afraid that you might hurt your fingers, yet still want a neat manicure, we highly recommend trying out this cuticle remover from ProLinc. This product will perfect suit all those who have sensitive skin. The solution doesn't contain any harsh components, thus there is no risk of hurting the skin. On the contrary, it provides careful nail and skin care. The product's composition includes glycerin that helps soften the cuticle. Even if you have thick and overgrown cuticles, leave this product in a U shape over our finger for about 45 to 60 seconds, and you will be able to remove it with an orange stick, cuticle fork, or any other tool of your choice with next to no effort. Wash off the remover, and you're done. Your nails will look nice and neat. What we also like about the ProLinc Cuticle Eliminator is that you can use it not only on your natural nails, but also on gels, acrylics, and gel polishes. The remover comes in a 4 fluid ounces tri-pack, but there are also kits of 2 bottles available. At number 3, we have the Cuticle Remover and Softener Liquid. With the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, you won't have to visit nail salons anymore. This is one of the best products for removing nail cuticles at an affordable price. Apply it on the fingers and leave it for a few moments. This solution is enriched with lanolin that has amazing softening qualities, nourishing soft tissues, and preventing the appearance of hangnails. It will help dissolve the cuticles and dead skin, so it will come off straight away. The remover won't sting your skin and doesn't have an unpleasant smell to it. A lot of users also like that the product comes in a big pack, 6 ounces. Hence, it will last you for quite a long time and you won't have to purchase it too often. The con of this product is that the liquid is rather runny. It might take you some time until you get used to measuring it properly. We can also recommend putting it on a Q-tip, then rubbing it in the cuticle. This way, you will have more control and there will be no mess. At number 2, we have the SuperNail Cuticle Softener and Remover. The SuperNail Cuticle Softener will become your reliable assistant for home manicure and pedicure. To achieve perfect results, file your nails and thoroughly clean them. Put the remover on your cuticles and leave it for a couple of minutes. You will be able to easily push the cuticle or trim it where necessary. This cuticle softener contains cinnamon and lanolin. Thanks to that, the product is not only effective, but also very gentle to your skin. The cinnamol is made of cinnamon oil and has antibacterial properties that help create a natural barrier against bacteria and fungus, protecting the nail. 1 bottle contains 4 ounces of the remover. There is also a variety of sets with different amount of packs available. If you like this product, you can purchase up to 12 bottles in a set at once. And finally, at number 1, we have the California Mango Cuticle Softener. The California Mango Cuticle Remover is your key to perfect looking nails. This solution starts working immediately after you apply it on your nails. It helps you get rid of dead skin and hangnails in just a few moments. What we love the most about this product is that it has a very rich composition. The solution consists of extracts of mango, acai, aloe, and vitamin E, so it makes your fingers soft and conditioned after each use. The mango extract moisturizes and nourishes the skin and protects it from the harmful elements of the surrounding environment. Vitamin E prevents dryness and improves tissue regeneration. The next thing we would like to point out is that this product doesn't have any chemical smell. On the contrary, it has a nice fruity fragrance, which is highly appreciated by most users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.